Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve the book exercise and question answers of chapter 9, Internet and Email Account. So let's begin the exercise with multiple choice questions. Here is the question 1. Which of the following is a web browser? Options are Google Chrome, prachindia.com, google.com or none of these. So Google Chrome is a web browser. Second one is which of the following links to the other web pages of the website? Options are URL, web browser, home page or desktop. So home page links to the other web pages of the website. Third is URL stands for. Options are United Resources, Uniform Lights, Union Resources Locator or Uniform Resource Locator. So URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It means option D is right. Question 4 is which of the following is a huge collection of web pages stored on the internet? Options are web browser, PCU, www or none of these. So www means World Wide Web is a huge collection of web pages stored on the internet. Now question B is write T for the true statement and F for the false one. First is yahoo.com is an example of browser. So this statement is false. This is not an example of browser. This is example of website. Second is home page is the first page of website. This statement is true. Third is full form of URL is unique resource locator. This is false. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Fourth is full form of www is World Wide Web. This statement is true. Fifth is email stands for elastic mail. This is wrong because email stands for electronic mail. Now match the following. Here the right answers are written in front of the pair. E-shopping. E-shopping is known as shopping on internet. www stands for World Wide Web. Google Chrome, it is a type of web browser. Home page, it is the first page of a website known as home page. Fifth is email. You know that email stands for electronic mail. Now let's move on to the question answers. First is what is URL? Answer: each website or web page has an address that is called its URL or Uniform Resource Locator. For example, here are some types of URL: google.com, discovery.com, cartoonnetwork.com, etc. Question 2 is write any 3 advantages of internet. You know that there are many advantages of internet, but we have to give any 3. So any 3 advantages of internet are given as below. First is electronic mail or email. You know that it is one of the most popular feature of the internet. We can send and receive messages from computer anywhere in the world. Second advantage is online shopping, which is very popular in modern time. So we can buy or sell things on the internet. Third is entertainment. Internet enables you to download various programs, movies, games and songs, etc. Question 3 is how does an email help us? Answer: email help us in different manners. We can send and receive messages from computer anywhere in the world. A user can exchange any kind of information like text, graphics, images and messages. So all these facilities are provided by email. Question 4 is what is web browser? Give some examples of web browser. Answer: it is a software required to install on your computer to use internet. Means web browser is required to install in your computer if you want to use internet. It allows you to read the web pages on the World Wide Web. Some of the popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer, etc. Question 5 is, what are the websites? Answer: website is a collection of related web pages. Just like a collection of pages make a book, a collection of web pages make a website. Means, as a collection of pages make a book, in same manner the collection of web pages make a website. If you open a website, so you can get different web pages related to one website. Question 6 is, which term is used for online shopping? So you know that e-shopping is used for online shopping. E stands for electronic shopping. Shopping through internet is known as online shopping. Question 7 is, what is email? Answer: email stands for electronic mail. You know that it is one of the most widely used features of the internet along with the web. It allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. Means, with the help of email you can be attached with any person if you are staying anywhere in the world, and you can send messages, you can share information with the person who is living anywhere in the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.